It's breakfast time at Disney's Contemporary Resort. And before you head over to Magic Kingdom for a fun-filled day, you'll want to grab some grub at Chef Mickey's, particularly the breakfast pizza on the buffet line. So, let's see how we make this magical pie right from our own kitchen.
Every smile, spark of light, a tale we'll always share. Magic in the air tonight, it's everywhere.
Hi everyone, I'm Natalie, and this is Disney Recipes at Home, the show where we create your favorite Disney park snacks, desserts, meals, all for the comfort of your own home. Until we get to see Mickey real soon. This isn't like your school breakfast pizza. Chef Mickey features a lovely character dining breakfast with Mickey and the gang cooking up on a fantastic buffet for everyone, including the wonderful pizza. But a single adult price is almost $60. Today we're bringing home this portion of Mickey's food for only $10. So, let's get cooking.
First, we're going to preheat our oven to 400 degrees. Then we'll grab a small baking pan and grease it. Then you're going to grab your pizza crust. I know that was anticlimactic. Take your pizza dough and spread it evenly across the baking sheet.
It doesn't say to do this, but every time I see a frozen pizza, it has holes in it.
Then we'll set it to the side. Next, we're going to make the underlying cheese spread that will act as the sauce for the pizza. Grab a bowl and add a half a block of cream cheese and a half a cup of heavy whipping cream. We'll then take both of these and nuke them in the microwave for about 30 seconds. And it was at that point when I made an amazing discovery.
This is an egg separator. We have one.
I could go, but I don't think that would work. You want to try it?
So now I'm going to use this whisk to vent out all my frustration about that turn of convenience.
Grab yourself some cheddar cheese. Bruh.
But first, we gotta get that stupid bag open.
That thing did nothing. They had one job. One job. Oh my gosh. There we go.
We'll add a half a cup of cheddar cheese and a pinch of salt and a sprinkle of that Mary couple before we stir it with the hot mixture from before. Next, we'll take about 2 or 3 strips of bacon and set it to our skillet to fry. We'll remove them just before they are completely cooked and set them on a paper towel to dry. Next, we'll grab a half a cup of breakfast sausage and cook it until it's 90% done too. Next, we'll grab a bowl and break up 6 eggs. Who wants to see something really cool?
Egg sandwich.
We'll put a splash of milk in the eggs to make them fluffy. Then we'll scramble them up.
If you cooked your bacon and your sausage in one pan, there's not going to be that much grease. So, just take your eggs and cook it in the grease.
There's the Disney magic, and then there's the Southern magic. But before we cook the eggs, we need to par-bake the crust. Stick it in the hot oven that we definitely didn't forget about approximately 5 minutes. Now, on to the cooking those scrambled eggs.
I cleaned the bowl, don't worry.
Now the crust is par-baked. We'll add the cheese sauce to the first layer. Next, we'll add our scrambled eggs and then our sausage. We'll also cut the bacon into bits before spreading it. We'll then cover the top in mozzarella cheese. We'll put it back in the hot oven for about 10 to 12 minutes.
Do 11. Meet it in the middle.
Once it's done and has a golden brown color, we'll take it out and cut it for serving. This smells like a beginning of a magical day.
It really reminds me, because we were literally there like 2 weeks ago. Yeah. You thought that breakfast school pizza was good? Yo, try it with this sauce. It'll change your life. I'm not using no gravy no more. I'm gonna be making like this. Very creamy. Now you can make this healthy. I mean, use your yogurts and stuff. Like there's ways to make this better for you. But I mean, you have your eggs, your bacon, your sausage, and it's not very salty. It's that right breakfast, like when you're craving breakfast, but you don't know what you want. Yo. It really makes me ready to go back. Honestly, truly, I could care less about going apart. Just take me to Chef Nikki's. If you liked what you saw in this video, YouTube thinks you'll like this one next. So see if they're right, and remember, stay magical.